Knowing who you are helps you network with others, helps you get a bag faster because you're not trying to jump into someone else's lane because you know your lane. For instance, I know I'm a running back. So if I'm a running back, why am I trying to take over the wide receiver's position? I'm too short for that. He's tall and fast like that for a reason. Now I'm fast and he's fast, but he's tall. That position is made for him. So I'm not going to try to take his position. And I feel like, being independent when you're learning your welding skills, there's many different positions of welding, just like playing football, just like playing basketball or playing baseball. There's different positions. So you have to know what position you're good at, get good at it, and then you can network with others in their position, and you can get a bag, and you can really accomplish something, because two is always better than one, and three, that's hard to break. Hog on.